Hello and welcome to Caribbean Car Culture. Introducing the new Down4Sound DVX 12-inch competition line subwoofers. This was sent in by a good friend of mine, Riyadh, to do a little unboxing. So this is the first time this sub will be featured on this channel, hopefully not the last. So let's get down to the unboxing. So as I said, this is the new DVX 12-inch from Down4Sound, and as usual during the video I will put the specs at the end of the video so you can see the parameters, the wattage, although it's 1700 RMS. Right, take a look at it. Nice big terminals, looks like 8 gauge. Also have double stitched flat tinsel leads, also a nice high roll surround. Carbon fiber dust cap. You see we have a nice huge magnet. It's got center venting, perimeter venting. You can see the DVX logo, dual 2 ohm, 1700 RMS. Right? I believe this is a triple stack. We have the TI frame with a 3-inch dual 2 ohm high heat black voice coil. Right? Stay tuned for some pictures of the sub and also a freeway. Then you'll see the parameters at the end of the video.